Hi Numberblock fans, today we are going to explore our art Numberblock Club from 1 to 19. So before I build the art club, I would like to ask you a question that what is odd numbers? That's right, odd numbers is the numbers which can make 2 blocks wide or can make 2 blocks wide but has one odd block on the top and also couldn't divide into twos. Alright, so I built the odd characters into 2 blocks wide to know that they're an odd numbers. So let's begin with the number block 1. So number block 1 has one red block. Then we got one red faceplate. Then we need one number link. There, you say that? Number block 1 has only one red block, and number block 1 couldn't make 2 blocks wide because she has only one block. So which means I assume that 1 is an odd number. So here's our finish, number block 1, which is the first member of an odd club. So the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 3. So number block 3 has 3 yellow blocks. And 3 is not even number because 3 cannot make 2 blocks wide. So 2 blocks wide with one odd block at the top. So which means number block 3 is a second member of the odd club. We need 2 faceplates. That's because number block 3 has one for her face and one for her juggle box. So here's number 3. And don't forget the number link. Number block 3. So because we got one odd block at the top, and number block 3 couldn't make 2 blocks wide, so 3 is the second member of the odd club. So here's our finish, number block 3. So the next character that we're going to build today is number block 5. So number block 5 has 5 light blue blocks. We build 5 into 2 blocks wide formation, and that's because to represent the odd numbers. We build like this, and then we need one odd block at the top. You'll see one odd block. One odd block, which means number block 5 is the is the third member of the odd club. So we need 4 faceplates. That's because the number block 5 in the 2 blocks wide formation. She has one star-shaped eye because she loves stars, and one for her mouth. And then don't forget the number link for number block 5. So here's our finish, number block 5. So the next odd number that we're going to build today is number block 7. So 7 has 7 rainbow blocks. We build 7 into 2 blocks wide, like this, because to know that number block 7 is an odd number. Wait. Alright, we got 6 and then one more to make 7. 7 rainbow blocks. So 7 couldn't make 2 blocks wide because we got one odd block at the top, which means number block 7 couldn't split into 2s. And don't forget the numbering for number block 7. So here's our finish, number block 7. For the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 9. So number block 9 has 9 3 tiles of gray blocks. Also, the number block 9 is an odd number. That's because number block 9 couldn't split into 2s. So we build 9 into 2 blocks wide. That's to represent the number block 9 is an odd number. Number block 9 is the 5th member of the odd club. And then we need one block more. We have one block left over, and then we put it at the top. That's because 9 couldn't split into 2s, which means 9 is the odd number. We need one faceplate for the number block 9 into 2 blocks wide, and we need number link for number block 9. So here's our number block 9. Alright, for the next odd character that we're going to build today is our number block 11. So number block 11 has 10 white blocks and 1 red block. 11 is an odd number. You see, the number block 11 command shape is 2 blocks wide, right? I know you guys see the normal number block 11 shape is 2 blocks wide. This is the number block 11's command shape. And you see 1 red block which is on the top. This is because 11 is an odd number. 11 is the 6th member of an odd club. And I create my own football to decorate when the number block. I've already built the number blocks to decorate it to make it more attractive. So here's our finish 11, which is the football player. Alright, for the next character that we're going to build today is 13. 13 is the number block which is the unluckiest in the Numberland. So 13 has 10 white blocks and 3 yellow blocks. So 13 I built into 2 blocks wide. So we got 1 odd block at the top. Oh my gosh, so unlucky. Alright, we got 10 white blocks. And then we need 3 yellow blocks more to make 13. Oh my gosh, super unlucky. Alright, we need 4 faceplates. And 13 is also the prime number. And 13 is also odd number, because he cannot make 2 blocks wide. So 13 is an odd number. Right. And don't forget the number link for the number block 13. So here's our finish number block 13. For the next character that we're going to build today is number block 15. So number block 15 has 10 white blocks and 5 blue blocks. So we build 15 into 2 blocks wide to know that number block 15 is an odd number or not. Well, you see 15 couldn't split into 2s, so which means 15 is an odd number. That's because she couldn't make rectangle into 2 blocks wide. So 15 is the 8th member of the odd club. And then there's only 1 leftover block, so I put it at the right one. Right, so 15 has 4 faceplates. Wait. Alright. And don't forget the number link for number block 15. So here's our finish number block 15. So the next character that we're going to build today is 17. So 17 has 10 white blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Because 17 is made out of 10 and 7. Right. We built 17 into 2 blocks wide to see that is 17 is the odd number or not. That's right, 17 is not an even number because 17 couldn't make 2 blocks wide, so which means 17 is an odd number. So 17, I assume that 17 is an odd number, so 17 is the 9th member of the odd club. There, we got 16 blocks. And then we need 1 block more to make 17 because 16 plus 1 is 17. And then we attach 10 faceplates. That's because 17 has so many paint splats on there. We attach his face first, eyes, mouth, and cheek too. And the rest are the paint splats. Oh my gosh, too many. This one makes me tired because of the splats, but that's okay. Oh. Right, we got 10 faceplates. And then we need one number link for the number block 17. Alright, so here's our finished number block 17. For the last character that we're going to build today is 19. So 19 has 10 white blocks and 9 3 tiles of gray blocks, because 19 is made out of 10 and 9. So we build 19 into 2 blocks wide to see that 19 is the prime number. That's it, 19 is the prime number. That's because 19 couldn't make 2 blocks wide, so 19 is the 10th member of the odd club. So I build from 1 to 19. So this one is the last character. 19 is a prime number because she couldn't make any rectangles too, but she never mind because she loves to make crazy shapes. Alright, we got 18, and then we build one more to make 19. This is, everyone like this shape. I see everyone makes so many people to make this shape, but I make 6 blocks wide to accurate the instruction. But this time it's an odd number, so I build into like this to know that 19 is a prime number or not. And there's our, oh, sorry, it mirrored. Alright, here's our finished number block 19. Okay guys, let's review all together. So we got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and the last is 19. So we got 10 characters of the odd club. So that's all of the characters that we built today. So which character do you like the most? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, or 19? So please leave the comments. So thank you for watching, everyone. So if you want to see my new videos, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye!